Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinswitch to Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Coinswitch account. Navigate to the section where your crypto assets are listed and select Solana. If you already have Solana in your portfolio, you can find it there. Next, open your Phantom Wallet and locate the Receive option. Click on it, then copy the wallet address provided for Solana. Now, go back to Coinswitch and find the Withdraw or Transfer option. In the Withdrawal section, paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom Wallet into the designated field. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Ensure you have enough balance to cover any transaction fees. Before confirming, double-check that the selected network matches Solana to avoid any transfer issues. Once everything looks good, proceed with the withdrawal. After the transaction is processed, open your Phantom Wallet again, and you will see the updated balance reflecting the transferred amount. So that's basically how you can transfer Solana from Coinswitch to Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.